Hello again. Right, I've come to see you again. Ow, ow, hey, you can get off me. But God and Bennett, young lady. It's a good job I'm not. Ow, hey. Well, this has started off. This has started a row, hasn't it? God and Bennett, young lady. What gives here? I brought you a treat. Come on, it's here. I brought you a treat. There you go. Right. You don't have to shout at everything. And just in the hedge there, look, there's a duck and a baby duck. Trying to get some bread to them there. Can you see the little one there? And they're both just flirting around there. So let's just throw some bread in there. Yes, that's what's up with you, isn't it? You think you're missing out. I know, you might well pull that face at me. You're getting the most, aren't you? You're getting the most of everything here. Nice to see you. Yes, I'm just passing to a job and I've got distracted again. No wonder I'm in trouble all the time with people like you. Distracting me. Right. And these in the hedge here are really nice. There's a tiny baby just there flirting around with them. So I'm just dropping some bit away. Here he comes again. Here he comes again. Right, you're getting plenty. You can stop snarling at me. Stop snarling at me. My goodness me. I don't know. Hey, calm down a bit. Yes, I've got plenty for everyone. This is me shopping I'm throwing away here. Oh no. No wonder I don't get far. This is my new loaf. Hey, you can get it. Ow, it's biting my leg. Hey, ow. Hey, there's no need for that. God, I bet it, you nasty piece of work at that times you are, aren't you? Hey? God, I bet it, that didn't half hurt. Never seen anything like it. He's tried to bite my leg off. Didn't you? Trying to bite my leg off. Yes. There you go. You're getting plenty. When I didn't give her any, she started trying to bite my leg off. Didn't you? I'm feeding the little baby there, you see her. How nice is that? Really nice, isn't it, that? Yes, there's plenty for everyone. Isn't there? Plenty for everyone here. So there you go. Yes, no need to shout at me like that. And there's certainly no need to bite me, is there? Certainly no need to bite me, is there? Hey? I know. Right, there's some more for them. Right. That's it, is it? Once you think it's gone, you're away. Aren't you? Once you think it's gone, you're away. Aren't you? Hey, there's no need to fly at me like that. I've just give you fresh bread. I've just bought it. God, Benny. I don't know. There we go. There's the tiny one. Wow, she is tiny, isn't she? A little thing there just in the hedge, see her? Bobbing about there. Brilliant, isn't it, how they can bob about on the water? Wow. Off he goes, down to the water's edge. Wow. And there you go, there's little one there with the rest of them. And there he goes, back into the water. How nice is that? It's amazing, this place, isn't it? Wildlife at its best. All here enjoying it. Enjoying the water. Ducks, waterfowl, geese. Wow, pigeons, jackdaws, all sorts of stuff going on. What a beautiful place. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, I'm distracted. I'm distracted straight away. Anything like this distracts me. So there you go. It's brilliant, isn't it? Even though I'm getting my legs bitten off by that big fella in the hedge there. Looks fantastic sat there, doesn't he? And there's a little one again. Tiny one there. Fantastic to see. So there you go. Everybody's busy doing their thing. And this is one big pond. But then opposite is another big pond. Oh, there's another one there. But I really need to get going and do something else. Brilliant life for a mare, isn't it? And just opposite here is another pond. I'm not sure if anybody's on here. There's nobody on that one, but it's fantastic, isn't it? Brilliant to see, isn't it? Wow, absolutely amazing. Yes, I was distracted, so I'll have to get back in the car now and get going. Beautiful, isn't it? So I'll leave them to it. But that was just a little bit of wildlife that I've thoroughly enjoyed today. And we'll see everyone later on.